Hello students, in this lecture we will discuss about some results based on countable spaces and separable spaces. The first example is based on countable spaces, that is, let X be an uncountable set with cofinite topology, then X is neither first countable nor second countable space. So for the proof of it, let X be an uncountable. Then topology defined on this set is cofinite topology, which is denoted by tau C, in which we take all those subsets of X whose complement is finite we will prove it by contradiction method. So if possible, let us suppose that X is first countable. Now if it is first countable, then from the definition of it, for each point of X there exists a countable local base for X at point X. Let us denote it by B, which is a countable local base, and members in it is Bn, where n is a natural number. So it is countable. As from the definition of the local base, we know that B is contained in the topology and Bn's are the members of B. So we can say that Bn belongs to topology for each n. If Bn is a member of tau C, then from the definition of the topology, we can say that Bn complement is finite. It is true for all n. If it is finite, then it is countable also, which further implies that union of all Bn complement is countable for all n. Now this union is a subset of X and X is a uncountable here, and if we take complement of this union of Bn complement, then it will be uncountable also. So we can write X minus union of Bn's of Bn complement, which is uncountable. Then there exists a one element here belongs to this complement such that this element is not equal to X, which further implies that Y does not belongs to union of all Bn complement, and this union can also be written as the intersections of all Bn, then complement of it, which implies that Y belongs to intersections of all Bn, and which implies that Bn containing Y here, it is true for each n. Now let a set U, which is given by X minus singleton Y. Then if we take its complement, U complement, then it will be singleton Y only, which is finite. So we get a one set whose complement is finite. So we can say that U belongs to topology, which is a cofinite topology. So U is a member of the topology, so we can say that U is an open set. Let X belongs to U, which implies that as x u is containing x minus singleton y, so x not equal to y here. As B is a local base, at x, then from the definition of it, then there exists a base, call it Bn, such that x belongs to Bn, which is contained in U. Now from this we can write here y does not belongs to U, it is given, and Bn is contained in U, which implies that y does not belongs to Bn, but it is a contradiction because we have already proved that y belongs to Bn for all n. It is true for each n. So our supposition is wrong. Thus we can say that x is not first countable. Call it first equation. Now we will prove that x is not second countable also. That also we will prove it by contradiction. If possible, let us suppose that x is second countable, and we have already proved one result that second countability implies the first countability in topological spaces. So if x is second countable, which implies x is first countable also, but it is a contradiction because we have already proved that x is not a first countable. Thus our supposition is wrong, so we can say that x is not second countable also. Now further we discuss the separable spaces. Let x to be a topological space. It is said to be separable if it has a countable subset which is dense in X. It means if we take any subset of X and which is countable, and if we find its closure, then it is equal to X. So it means a countable subset of X is dense in X. So we can say that X is separable. Further, we discuss some examples on the separable spaces. In the first example, if X is countable, then for any topology tau, the space is separable space. So in the first, if X is countable, then if we find its closure, it is dense in itself. So it is a countable set which is dense in X. So we can say that X is separable. On the second example, if X is a set of real numbers and tau is a discrete topology on X, then this space is not separable space. So if X is a set of real numbers and tau is a discrete topology, it means all the subsets of real numbers are open as well as closed. So if we take any proper subset of R, then it will be open and closed also. So if it is closed, then find its closure, then it will be equal to A, not equal to R. Now there is no proper subset of R which is dense in R, but there is only one set which is dense in R, that is R only. So R closer will be R, but it is uncountable. So there is no countable set which is dense in set of real numbers. So we can say that R with discrete topology is not separable. And here we can say that if X is any uncountable set and tau is a discrete topology defined on this uncountable set, then that space is not separable space. Further, we discuss some results that is based on the separable spaces. Our first result is every second countable space is separable space. So for the proof of it, let X tau be a topological space which is second countable. Then we will prove that this topological space is separable space also. Now if it is second countable, then X has a countable base which we denoted by B. We define B as members Bn here. N is a natural number. So this B is a countable. Now further we define a set A in which we take elements Xn. So every element of A is from each member of B. So Xn belongs to Bn for all n. We claim that this A is countable and dense in X. As from the definition of A, we can say that as B is countable, then A is also countable. And also from the definition of A, we can say that A closer is contained in X. Now it is enough to prove that A is dense in X. So our to prove is X is contained in closure of A. Now to prove that X contained in A closure, we take one point of X which is an arbitrary element of X. So take one open set in X which is containing X element. Since B is a base for X, then from the definition of base, there exists a member of B, call it Bn, such that X belongs to Bn which is contained in U. Now from the definition of A set, in which we have taken the elements Xn from each member of B, so we can write Bn intersection with A is not empty. And Bn contained in U, which implies that U intersection with A is not empty. Now U is an open set which is containing X element. So for each open set, U that is containing X element, we have U intersection with A is not empty. Now from the definition of the limit point, we get X belongs to A closure. As X is arbitrary point of X, so we get X is contained in A closure. And we have already proved that A closure is contained in X. So we get X is equal to A closure. So there is a countable set which is dense in X. So X is separable. Thus we have proved the result. But the converse of this result is not true in general. Separability does not imply the second countability in topological spaces. We will prove it by taking one example. So we take one counter example for it. Let X is a set of real number and tau is a lower limit topology on set of real numbers. Now define a set A which is containing semi-open intervals where AB's are rational numbers. Since Q is countable, so A is also countable. So it is a countable subset of R, and also A closure is equal to set of real numbers as set of rational number is dense in R. So we get a one subset of R which is countable and dense in R. So X with lower limit topology is a separable space. But it is not second countable, as if we take base of it, then its base is semi-open interval with C and D belongs to real numbers. As real numbers are countable, so this is uncountable. So base for the lower limit topology on the set of real number is uncountable. So we cannot say that it is second countable space. Is not second countable. But every metric space is second countable space. Thus in the metric space, separability and second countability are equivalent definitions, but it is not true in the topological space. But in the metric space, separability and second countability, these are equivalent. So if a space is separable space, that is automatically second countable. If a space is second countable, then it is automatically separable space in metric space only, but it is not true in the topological space. Now there are some other results also which is based on the separable space, that we will discuss it later. So in the next lecture we will discuss about the Landau space. Thank you.